Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. If you're wondering what the heck I'm doing right now, I literally just finished dyeing my hair and washing it, and I really just want it to be pretty. So I figured I would come and sit down and film this video while my hair is trying to dry a little bit. Otherwise, I'd have to let it air dry for like 30 to 60 minutes, then blow dry, then straighten it, then I could sit down and film. And I want to be pretty now. I've gone 8 weeks without dyeing my roots, which is the longest I have gone since I went red. And it was like scratching an itch. My roots were driving me crazy. But number one, I have a friend's wedding to go to at the end of the month. So I was trying to, stretch it a little bit longer till it was closer to the wedding. And number two, my hair is getting scorched and killed dyeing it so often. So I went 8 weeks, which usually I go 4 weeks. So I really stretched it this time. All right, so now that my rambling is over, I apologize. Let's get into looking pretty. I got my hands on the new Gripping Primer by Cover FX. If you guys have heard about this primer, you know that it is sold out of all Sephora stores. It is sold out on Sephora.com. You can get it online at coverfx.com, but I'm kind of a whore for, the Beauty Insider points and the Ulta Reward points. But I was at a Sephora when I got the Dior Air Flash spray, and I was leaving and I decided to just check out the Sephora that's in JCPenney, and they had one left. I couldn't believe it. This guy comes in a tube. It is 1 fluid ounce. It is said to be a unique jelly texture that creates a smooth glass-like finish on the skin and grips makeup for flawless application and long wear. Perfect for all skin types. It's also supposed to visibly smooth the look of fine lines, provide a visible lifting and smoothing effect. Love that. Okay, it says to use a smoothing motion and then a gentle patting motion. So I'm not sure how much to start with, but it's like the size of a dime. Ooh, that is sticky. Okay, smoothing motion. This is supposed to be really good for dry skin too. Okay. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. So I am going to go in with the Dior Forever Skin Glow, and this is in the shade 0N, which is the lightest shade. Let's get some on the back of my hand. Dot my face. And then taking my damp beauty blender, just blending this out. Wanted to try a foundation that I knew that I already liked, that worked well, just to see if it continues to work well or if it this primer screws with the foundation and makes it look kind of crappy. Okay, going in with a little bit more. My brows are already done, just because I had to go out in public and, don't want to scare people. Okay, so far the foundation went on really good. It looks super hydrating. It looks like I have highlighter on. Holy crap. All right, taking my ever diminishing Dior Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. Just gonna conceal real quick, and then I'm gonna set it with my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Okay, so off the bat, I'm liking how my skin looks. I did know that I liked this foundation and this concealer, but I feel like my skin looks a little more hydrated than it usually does. So let's get back to a little more normal here. Oh, colored roots, colored roots. If any of you are thinking that I have wavy hair, no. As it dries, it gets into that nice in-between phase. So I have to blow dry and straighten it to get it to behave even a little bit. Okay, I think it's only fair that I give this a couple hours of a wear test just to see, does it make my foundation break up? Does it make it cake? Does it keep looking great? So I will check in with you guys in a couple hours. All right, as always, here I am in my bathroom, and let's take a look at my foundation. So it's been quite a few hours already. It's not really getting into my fine lines, not even around my nose, which is always a big deal for me. And my skin's just, it feels hydrated. It almost might feel a little sticky. Maybe I should have powdered just the tiniest amount, but I am loving this primer. I think that it looks great and it feels great. My skin just, it feels nice. It doesn't feel dry. So I look forward to trying this with other foundations, see how it works with those other foundations. And if you can get your hands on this, I say do it. I say it's definitely worth it. I didn't need very much. I needed like a dime, and that worked on my whole face. You could probably even use less, but I am a glutton. So if you have dry skin or you just want your makeup to last long, I mean, who doesn't? I would definitely say go out and try this primer. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day. Bye. By the way, my roots look fantastic.